Coughing into palms spreads disease. This instinctual habit contaminates every surface. Pathogens thrive on the moist skin of the hand. You then touch doorknobs, phones, and other people. This creates a bridge for viral outbreaks. The hand is the most common vehicle for infection. You are essentially self-infecting your environment. This behavior is a public health risk. To stay safe, cough only into the crook of your elbow. This area rarely touches public surfaces. If you use a tissue, discard it immediately and wash your hands. Your elbow is a biological shield. Use the elbow. Stop the virus transfer.